Hello everybody. So I finally got my Spellbinders King Caboodle of the month for May, and I canceled last month because I figured I wasn't going to be using that stuff. It was just not, I didn't really know anybody that would use that, and anyway, so I didn't do it. But this month is an amazing month, and I ordered it as soon as I could, and it sat. You know how when you order from them, you get a tracking number, and it tells you first the label, and then usually the next day it ships and it's gone. Well, this sat with the shipping label for days, maybe a week almost, something like that. Anyways, so I finally just got it today, so I want to share it with you. And you know, like I said, you probably already all seen it before already, but I'm going to share it. This is the small die of the month. There is a parrot and a toucan. And I'm going to show you the other side and see if you can see them. Just, I mean, adorable, right? And then this is the stitch die, and it's a pineapple. And I think it's going to be so cute. And there is the pineapple. The clear stamp of the month. Can you see that flamingo? There's a parrot here. There's a bird up there. Let's get together soon. I am tickled pink. Thanks and hello. There's a picture of what it's going to look like stamped out. And then you got these for the stamping die of the month. And this is an edge and another edge. And this is for the, I think, let's get together soon. This might be for one of the other words, another word. Anyways, let's see, I really don't show the picture. Be wild and free on your birthday, and this is the better press of the month. Can you see that? I mean, I can't wait. I cannot wait. And the glimmer of the month is a flower. Now, I would have loved the glimmer of the month to be one of the birds, right? I would have loved that. Or a flamingo. I mean, but you know, they have their reasons. Maybe you wouldn't have been so popular with other people as it would have been with me, you know. But they do what they do. Look how pretty, right? So pretty. Wait. Oh, I got them put up. Okay, and then you got the stencil that goes with the glimmer. See? See? They work together. And then we have the stencil of the month, which is tropical spray. See? I believe it's layered too. And then we have the large die of the month, which is the pink flamingo. Here's what I wanted to see. Are these going to work together now? Size-wise, maybe not. These might be too big to go with the flamingo, because in actuality, a flamingo is a pretty good-sized bird. These are big birds, but I don't know if that, but you know, it might be something we can get away with. And we'll check that out too. Then we got the wax beads that are a green, a pearly looking green. And we have the seal. See the picture? And we'll do that. And then this, I believe, is free. A little toucan of my appreciation. Apparently, it's your birthday. I will always stand by you. You are sweet to the core. And that's nice. We have the 3D embossing folder, which is the leaves. So a little bit there. And we have the regular. Isn't that weird? Like, they made it so light, like you can't even read it. I have not even opened any of these packages yet, so wow, that's just super light. Embossing folder of the month. It's the regular embossing folder. So, here we go. Okay, then we get the foil, right? And it's this, what color does it say? Fuchsia flower. Is that not pretty? We're going to try Pam's thing, I think, tomorrow. We're going to do the glimmer. And we're going to do glimmer on mirror card. And we're going to check it out and see how it works. Yep. I have to change out my machine and everything because it needs the switch where you can send the thicker plate system through. At least the one I have does. So we're going to do that. Of course, I won't be able to use the stencil. So we might do 2 of them. No, wait. This is not the one with the stencil, is it? Oh, I guess so. Tropical Bloom stencil. So it is the one. The glimmer. For some reason, I was kind of thinking better press. But no. Not the better press. Where's the better press? Yeah, not the better press. That's a little bit more detail-y, I think, because it's done with ink instead of, you know, foil. Be wild and free on your birthday. Be wild and free on your birthday. All right, everybody. So that's all I come on for today. Or, well, not. I was on earlier today. But that's all I come on for right now was to show you the kitten Caboodle from Spellbinders. But, I mean, they come late, right? That's what you get, like they tell you. You know, you can't just skip a month. You have to cancel. Well, when you do that, then you can't order it again until a certain day. 5th or 6th or something like that. Anyways, you gotta wait until they let you order it. And then it just took so long to come. I wish they would just let you skip a month. And then I wouldn't have had to bother. I wouldn't have had to bother going back in and ordering it and all that. It would have just happened. It seems like that would work better for them too, because I don't know, maybe they were getting a lot of returns. I don't know, but it just seems like would be a lot easier. A lot easier. But anyways, everybody, if you like my videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again. Bye-bye now.